If you want to set a custom notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A37, if you already have your custom sound saved on the phone's storage, then in that case we can go to the Samsung folder in the app drawer, and we need to open the My Files app. In here we're going to go to the audio category, and you should be able to find your custom notification sound that you want to set as the notification sound. In my case, it is this one. You want to press and hold your finger on that file in order to select it. Then we're going to choose Move at the bottom of the screen. In here, we're going to tap on the internal storage, and we want to go to Notifications. And you want to move the file in here. You want to move this audio file to place it in that folder. Now, after that, we can open Settings, and then in Settings, choose Sounds and Vibration. Then we're gonna go to Notification Sound, and then if you scroll all the way to the top of the list, you should be able to find your custom sound in the list of custom sounds over here. So of course, select it, and you can exit these settings. Leave a like and subscribe.